The Vandy Vape Capstone RDA is solidifying its place with VAPEWILD in all the right ways. The Capstone is sporting some rad features that are thoughtful of the RDA lover. The deck is spring-loaded with a single screw located at the top for ease and simplicity. The deck is also shaped like, well, a capstone, which allows for each drip to spread evenly to your wick. The well is deep like the feels. 6 milliliters to be for reals. I noticed while I was using this topper that I didn't get as much spit back as I expected. That for sure is a great thing for you builders out there. You Squonk fans are not forgotten. Continue the year of the Squonk with the Vandy Vape Capstone RDA. It comes out of the box with a 510 Squonk pin already installed, with the interchangeable 510 pin for dripping. There is so much fun with this RDA, so I'm going to speed run this next part. 2 types of drip tips work, 810 or 510 with adapter, 4 color options, replaceable frosted cap if you don't like the standard groove cap, dual ramp trapezoid airflow, and the best part ever is they included in the box a coil lead guide to make your life easier. That was fun. Have your Capstone by Vandy Vape from VAPEWILD today. I am out of breath.
Hey guys, it's Emily at VAPEWILD. Be sure to click our button and subscribe to our channel, or you could watch more videos over here. Right there. Click one. You know you want to. Click it, click it, click it. Click it right now. Right now. Click it. Right now. I don't know what else to do.